Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing the recipe of waffles, the way I make waffles at home. So this is the pancake mixture you can use for waffles and pancake for both. So I'm taking 1 full cup of the pancake flour and 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use butter if you want, and half cup of lukewarm water, or add water as you need it, and mix well. Make sure there's no lumps, and that's how it should look. I'm using this oil spray. This is a cooking spray on waffle maker. You can spread butter if you want, and then add waffle mixture, like pour equally on all corners and spread evenly. And then I will just close the lid, I will cover the lid and cook until like 3 minutes. And that's the temperature I put it on. And after 3 minutes, just turn over to the other side, and I cooked the other side with the open lid. I did not close the lid for the second time. I will just cook for like another 2 to 3 minutes with open lid. And that's it, ready to serve. You can serve with omelette, egg, the way you want, or you can serve with like the sweet one. You can serve with the maple syrup or chocolate syrup, whatever the way you like. Just enjoy as you want. And that's how it looks. Hope you all like this recipe, and if you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and subscribe my channel. And thank you so very much for watching.